My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the site websecurityprograms.com. This is the misleading pop-ups that targets Google Chrome and other browsers, but mainly Google Chrome is being attacked. The pop-up tries to deceive people and to trick them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. This particular pop-up claims that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. Some other versions of these pop-ups may also tell you other pretty frustrating messages trying to make you think that your computer is horribly infected. These pop-ups also claim to be related to some decent security programs to make you click on this proceed button. But when you do that, when you click on proceed, you would be forwarded to some other questionable sites, and they may actually try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. So some other totally different software may be promoted through these fake alerts in reality. All these pop-ups may be the result of some adware already enabled in your computer. We recommend you to carefully research and investigate your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start carefully researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.